Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders, and I would like to talk about how to trade a climactic reversal. A climactic reversal is a VPA signal or a VPA triggered trade, and what you utilize is high volume or a high squeeze on a stock in order to anticipate contrary direction. Now, I'm holding here for down around 81 on this PENN position I took. I've already had a really good day trading AMD, NEO, and PFE, so I thought this was going to be a really good opportunity to get into a nice trade. So I went ahead here. Actually, shout out to Eamon in the room. He called out a parabolic reversal, but it didn't quite throw the signals for a parabolic reversal, but it threw all the signals for a climactic reversal. So, and as you can see here, we had this really nice big rip up, and then I shorted it for the move back down. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and you can see that PENN here is doing an R4 breakout. So what that means is it's gotten back up above R4, the Camarilla pivot here, and it actually settled on top of it, moved up through this daily level, and it started a breakout. Now, once you're into breakout territory, there's a couple things you're going to get. One, you're going to get a long breakout. That's often going to run well for you, and then you're going to also get some really extreme reversals from those areas. So, and those are kind of things that I really like to play, especially in the afternoon when the stocks become overextended. Now, often before a stock is going to reverse or turn turn directions and go the other way, you'll see a large volume anomaly come out to really signal that, you know, the big players are really starting to throw their transactions to get out of this stock, get into this stock, whatever they're going to do, and then they're going to take it and they're going to go crazy with it. So you can see here as this stock, oh, hold on one second, sorry. Yeah, all right, nice partial on that. Sorry, couldn't miss that one. So as you can see here, we pushed up really well, and we broke. When we broke, we had just this incredible amount of volume come in. I mean, almost as much volume in the majority of the day came through in one candle. That certainly shows a real big squeeze and some kind of big volume event. Soon as we got up here near the top, I saw a decent size ask, but not too big of an ask, with basically nothing else above it at 84.50. So I went ahead and entered my short here after we exhausted. And I gave it the loss of 84.50, and once it reached for 84.50 but failed, I knew we were good to go, so I added into that short for a great move down. The fun part about this trade was I got into it after I was already having a pretty good day, so I went into it pretty heavy. I actually risked around $100 risk on this one by the time I was done, so I never was going to lose 84.50, maybe 51 or 52 for stop out, so you're talking $100 risk at around that level. So I was carrying somewhere around 350 to 400 shares on this one, which is awesome. And as you can see here, that's ended up being quite a day for me. So I'm still holding 15 shares that are still worth about $50. Looking for a move down to 80, where I'll probably drop the vast majority of those. So as you can see there, that is the climactic reversal as I traded it here on PENN. Again, the big thing you're looking for on these trades is you're looking for an extreme amount of volume. It needs to be just massive volume in comparison to the entire rest of the day as often. And what it just shows is there's this massive spike or climax in volume, and that often happens before the stock turns around and runs the other direction. So I hope everyone enjoyed this trade. I hope you're all having a great day, and as always, keep it green. Thanks.